Yeah, that just tastes like shit, really. That is very disgusting. That's probably the worst soup I've had in my life. Okay.
Because
Corn juice.
corn juice.
And it is really, really nice.
10 baht.
10 baht each.
Yes.
There you go. Very nice. All right. They're selling right along here. Okay. Very nice. Chiang Rai. We booked into the Corner Hotel in Chiang Rai. It's really nice, very good quality. It's about 600 baht a night. We're in the high season too, so staff's great, everybody's friendly. It doesn't come with breakfast though, but it's close to everything. It's a very good hotel. Best in town, huh? You have soft bed?
She said we can walk from here to Walking Street. It's not far from here.
I know.
Okay.
It's the next street. This is exciting.
So it's nice.
What is it? Do you eat the whole thing? To leaf too?
Thai sausage.
These are very popular. These I get them in Bangkok. They're one of my favourites. Very nice, very nice indeed. If you see them in your travels, grab some. Cabs. Sort of meat they have chicken there.
Only chicken.
Good shop,
You want extra cheese or
Yeah, extra
normal?
cheese. Just get one now. I'll get two. Go
Yeah,
on.
just one chair.
Yeah, if it's no good, I can get a fresh one.
Okay, no problem.
Chili sauce, okay?
Okay.
Now, can you
ไม่เอา
see that cheese going there? Very nice.
Yeah, that's like extra. You have to
Yeah.
pay more like 20 baht.
Oh, really?
Yes. If you don't put cheese, 40 baht if you want extra cheese.
Yeah.
You have to pay more 20.
What's that?
A little bit, not much, and chili sauce, yes.
There you go. Look at them.
Yeah.
See how long it
60 baht.
lasts. No, you go first. Go on. Watch your fingers. Nice. Good.
This is a restaurant in the Walking Street, Chiang Rai.
What is it?
Like local food in Walking Street, Chiang Rai.
Right.
Yeah.
Anybody read Thai out there? What's this one?
Thai.
Go on, you read it.
Very sad. Steven today's landing. And Walking Street just have one time a week, you know, just weekend. And today finish, then start again Saturday, maybe next Sunday. And today cannot walk, nobody. And the shop is closed.
What's not spicy in Thailand?
Now they start.
It's like a really good market too.
Very poor. This is ไส้อั่ว Thai sausage. Talk about raining.
Thai sausages are about this big.
No, you look at this size. Look what?
This is really nice, this stuff. What's it called?
I don't know the name.
What do they have in it? There's a vegetable that grows once in the winter.
Yeah, in the winter, that's one times a year you can have. And he say you cannot find it always year. Cannot have. Yeah. And then I want to try. Never tried before.
Yeah, I'll give it a try.
Yeah. They cook with dry fish. You know.
Yeah.
They cook in the sunlight. Fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fresh water in the sunlight
Yeah.
for the keep longer. And then put in a soup.
Is it nice?
Soup is nice. What is one?
Yeah, that just tastes like shit, really. That is really disgusting. No, seriously. That's probably the worst soup I've had in my life. Okay? Stop trying to pass it off as good. You actually like that, do you?
They call dog mark.
So it's really dog, is it?
Mark
dog.
flower.
Huh?
Dog mark. Mark flower.
Horrible. That's really nice soup, Dad.
Hang le curry.
What?
Hang le curry. Little bit sweet. Fine.
Hey, I'll try a little bit. A bit of pork there and pork on your pork. Try that. Oh wow, that was delicious.
Rib.
What?
Pork rib.
That one?
This is pork fried with fish sauce.
Okay, that's nice. Sorry, crap. Right in the middle of the market, you got this thing. Restaurant. Very nice. Over there.
No, that's like a name. 250. Same all size.
Yeah, I see. Nice. Like, spicy what? I don't want. No. No, it's just full.
They put sweet one and coconut, and if you want to put
Coconut, yeah.
this is
is it? What is it? Get two.
Fruits.
Two,
Yeah.
take home. We're eating home. Bread now. Is it soft bread? Oh, yeah.
Rice.
No, I don't want it. Okay. Thanks.
This one or this one?
Banana.
Banana.
Banana. Okay. Okay, we're going to have a banana waffle, huh?
Yes.
Cook good? Waffle maker. Is that our waffle? You put honey on it?
ใส่น้ำผึ้งด้วยไหม
ไม่ได้ใส่
No เดี๋ยวได้
เบียร์
ค่ะนี่ใส่เบียร์ด้วยเหรอ
Leo?
เขาแย่
Does it have honey to put on it?
No they don't have
No. What are you going to do?
I'm waiting for banana one
Oh, he's cooking it now.
Yes
Where? Oh, I thought that was no. I wonder what the sesame one tastes like.
Sesame one เหรอ
Sesame. Chocolate. Chocolate chip. What else do you put on it now?
Nothing else
How much you got? How much are they?
one for one
You put some sort of sauce on it?
อ๋อไม่มีซอสอะไรเหรอเธอ
ไม่มีเลย
So they don't put nothing else
Okay,
เมื่อ
thank
ก่อน
you.
เคยมีครับแต่ว่า
No เอาปาปริก้า
Okay, cooked in there, deep fried. See? An old one.
เท่าไหร่คะ
How much is it now?
20
20 baht.
ว่าไม่ต้องใส่ถุงแล้วค่ะลูก
Okay. Cheese? Okay, got it. Hello.